6 minus 1 gives us 5. And again here we have 6 minus 1. Okay, so 5 times 5 is just 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first this multiplication, 1 times 6 is just 6. So 6 minus 6 minus 1. Now we have two subtractions. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this subtraction. 6 minus 6 gives us 0. And 0 minus 1 is just negative 1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 1.